Welcome back. We continue the package with a primetime news follow-up as help has arrived for the Portmore St. Catherine family featured in primetime news last evening. As Kirk Wright reports, government agencies have stepped in.
The response for calls to help was swift. The Ministry of Labour, the Child Protection and Family Agency, CPFSA, and the Member of Parliament turned up today. The visit of a few uninvited guests was also noticeable. But after a long day and a series of checks on the family we featured yesterday, the CPFSA finally found a temporary location for the mother and children, moving them out of the squalor in which they live. They moved with only the necessities.
We have secured a facility where the children will be safe. We are keeping the family together, so we will be keeping them short term together in a safe and comfortable facility. And from there, we will launch the long-term plan for them.
The mother welcomed the presence of the various teams, but thought at first they'd come to take her children. The CPSFA immediately suppressed those fears.
We're not in the business of separating families. We have to, even for the short term.
The teams scrutinized all the other areas of the house and its environs that were never shown during primetime news last evening. The almost non-existence of bathroom facilities blew them away. A makeshift one is located in the mangroves.
We realize that there are some clear risk factors here in terms of the safety of the children. The lay of the land is an issue. Flooding and the mangrove and it's an area that is prone, so anything can happen here. It seems that they were dumping up the land, but there is a problem because at the front of the house the water is there, and at the back there is the mangrove and water as well, and it seems that reptile can be around as well, so it is not very safe, and so we think that the risks are very high here.
Many saw the family's deplorable living condition during the news last evening, but only a few were moved to help. This Portmore resident is one of them. She took a few goodies for the family. The Ministry of Labour brought them a mattress. Robert Miller, the Member of Parliament for the area, says he never saw this story, but told us he was contacted about it this morning.
I received a call from Ms. Gray about the news article on the TV last night, and I saw it fit to come by to see how best, as their Member of Parliament, I can engage the agencies of the state to see how best we can assist Ms. Jones and her family, to get her out of this condition. It's not conducive. We're living in a crocodile den, so to speak, and it's not safe for her and her children.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.